Hey guys, and welcome back to Mischief Maker TV. Now, today is Monday, and I am going to be posting out 2 videos for the next 2 days because of the whole weekend thing and stuff didn't post. So I still have to do my daily vlog. So this is Monday morning. I'm up, I'm showered, I feel all fresh from the weekend. It is a gorgeous day. I turned on the news and I hear that there is a heat wave coming. And we don't have any AC right now in the trailer. So we are, when I say we, I mean Mike and I are gonna head off to Home Depot and we're going to get the right connection so that we have the right amount of electricity power to get the AC on. We did come back yesterday. It was about 700 degrees in there. We had to buy little mini fans that clipped on either side of the bed to our faces. So I am on mission AC with Mike today. So let's go see what he's up to. I am not good at this kind of stuff, especially with trailers and electrical boxes. In a house, fine, I'm okay, I'm not too shabby, but here, not so much. So I believe we have to take off a panel so that we can get the right thing when we're there. So let's go check it out.
So we need to get another one of these, another one of these, and then find one of these that has a round hole.
Ha.
And maybe another hole for one of those.
Okay. So another one of these, another one of these, another one of these.
And then a different plate that hopefully has a round hole, another round hole, and this.
Gotcha. So right now we're headed to Home Depot in St. George to grab everything that we need. So let's get this done. So we're finally in Home Depot. We got here safe and sound. Thanks to Mike giving me directions. We have the first thing in hand. And actually we had to kind of stand in line for a hot 2 seconds to get in here. That's the first. Mike is the man. He knows what he's looking for.
Just making stuff up.
He's just making stuff up. But hopefully him making stuff up will make us cooler and probably save our lives. So I'm all about it. This is what we're looking for right here.
That's not very wired.
That's not very long at all.
Well, this is factory wired and assembled.
Ha.
So I got one of the wires.
So we need to get more wire? So with the heat wave coming, we decided to just grab some water and stuff. Gatorades, sparkling lime seltzer for myself. So one more stop after this and then we're heading back. So I just had a text from Walter telling me that he's had to move into the Ford with the AC because his computer was switching off with the heat that is in the trailer. So when I say this is a mission today, this is like a super duper important mission. if we are going to live in this trailer in this heat. So I'm just waiting for Mike to come back. He was gonna get a watering can, and then we're gonna head on back and get this done. Hopefully it won't take too long, so we'll see. We will see. We might have to wait a couple of hours for the sun to go down so the heat is not as bad, but I don't know. We'll see, but we're gonna head back soon. We're gonna head back now. I see Mike. Yes, yes. So, yeah. Okay, so we're back from outer space. No, I'm joking. We're back, and what needs to happen is we have to actually move everything from under the trailer that we have right now, which is just like a couple of bags of trash, because we have to move the trailer forward because our 50 amp hookup doesn't reach back here, so we got to move it forward a little. So Walter is taking the 1-car trailer, parking it up over there, gonna disconnect that, gonna bring it over, we're gonna connect this, we're gonna pull it forward about 10 feet, and then hopefully we'll be able to plug in and get that good old AC. I feel like we're both a little, because we're a little warm right now, but we are a way to solve the problem. So just gotta move some stuff, so off we go. See what Mike is up to. The man of the hour. Look at this guy. Oh, you managed to get all of them through.
Push real hard.
Yeah, because for some reason when we were in Home Depot, I didn't think they were going to go through.
They didn't want to. They still haven't.
How are you feeling about getting AC?
I mean, I'm in the AC right now, so I'm pretty excited about it.
Is it going to be better sleeping without the 2 little clip fans on our faces?
I'm still sitting with a fan. Forget that. But this will be good.
It'll be good?
Yeah.
I love it. Let me move the Tacomas out of your way.
It's not in my way.
Oh, looks like it's in the way.
You want to grab my phone?
Yeah. Is it in the trailer? Is it in the heat box?
Yeah, it's in the heat box.
Up on the bed? So I'm not gonna lie, I had a little nap and I'm feeling much livelier now, but I'm hungry, so cooking up some chicken. Have some of the beer can chicken seasoning. I might throw half a little avocado on in there. Walter has requested a grilled cheese, so I will be making that in a moment. But it is so hot outside, as you can tell, because I haven't seen you guys since we were trying to fix the AC. It's on. We're good. It's probably why I slept. I didn't really sleep well last night though, because it was really hot, but feeling so much better. I was gonna say I would take this outside and eat it outside, but it's still hot as Hades outside, so no. I'll be eating this in here. But let me see to my chicken, guys. was supposed to figure all this out. This is all clean laundry that needs to be put away. It's the water that I got today. But did not get that far. That's alright though. It's Monday. I'll let myself off. Here we are. We popped the awning out a little bit. The horses are out right now. They're little monkeys right now. They keep trying to come into the trailer, which is funny. There we are. I feel like it's going to be an absolutely stunning sunset, so maybe we'll catch that tonight. That'd be pretty cool. But I gotta get back to the chicken. I hear it screaming. Okay, well, as you can see, we did catch that sunset. Still setting, actually. But today was, I would say it was pretty uneventful, but it wasn't uneventful. Mike and I went and got stuff to be able to have AC today. He kind of did that in his trailer in the AC, put everything together, and then lo and behold, I slept. Oh, I slept so good. And now I'm feeling kind of awake. It's nice. I haven't slept like that during the day in quite some time. But yeah, today really been taking it easy. Had some emails and calls to do and stuff like that, catching up with the family. But that has pretty much been about it. It's nice to be back on the cherry orchard. I haven't seen Val all day, so I'm gonna head over and see her right now. But guys, if you're enjoying the channel, then please remember to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, don't forget that notification bell. And if you're looking for Mischief Maker merch, go to www.women-wheelers.com. And just an FYI, I do send orders out every week on Monday. And tomorrow, I think it's time to maybe clear out the trailer finally. Every nook and cranny. So, oh, and remember, this afternoon, there's going to be another video dropping from the weekend adventure. So definitely check that out. Some wicked, wicked stuff in that episode. So check that out. But until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later.